Scrolling late at night, your smile lit up my screen. A simple like a little wave, felt like a dream. From friend requests to messages, hearts in every line. Didn't think I'd find forever, one click at a time. Every notification makes my heart beat race. Can't believe I found you in this digital space. It's a Facebook love, stronger every day. From a timeline post to the words we say, no distance can break, no doubt can erase this Facebook love. It's more than just a fake. We shared our stories, tagged each other in the night. From emojis to video calls, it all feels so.
I used to dream in silence, now I dream on screen. Turn my little hobby to a lifelong scene. Hit that record, let my passion flow. From 0 views to a viral glow. Woke up with an edit in my mind. Cut the noise, let the vision shine. I'm not chasing fame or gold above. I'm here cause YouTube is my love. YouTube is my love, my everyday light. Streaming my heart in the middle of night. From gaming highs to DIY stuff, laughs and lessons I can't get enough. No need for fortune, no need to bluff. I'm here to say it loud, YouTube is my love. Comments glowing like a midnight star. Strangers feel close no matter how far. Tutorials, pranks, or a makeup blend. Every video feels like a brand new friend. Jump cuts, B-rolls, beat drops too. Every second feels fresh and true. This isn't just a job I'm proud of, it's in my soul. YouTube is my love. YouTube is my love, my love. Comments glowing like a midnight star. Strangers feel close no matter how far. Tutorials, pranks, or a makeup blend. Every video feels like a brand new friend. Jump cuts, B-rolls, beat drops too. Every second feels fresh and true. This isn't just a job I'm proud of, it's in my soul. YouTube is my love, my spark, my fire. When I create, I rise up higher. Story by story I build my way. In this world where I get to say what I feel, what I dream of, yeah, I mean it. YouTube is my love. Let them scroll, let the haters talk. I'll keep filming every walk, cause this red play button glowing above is more than just tech, it's where I find love. Started small with the phone and a beat now, dancing in my own front seat. Every sub, every bell I ring tells me I was born to sing. So here I go, another upload. This is my path, my chosen road. Not for clout or push and shove, I'm just here because YouTube is my love. YouTube is my love, my voice, my place. I found my heart in this digital space. With every frame I rise above. This isn't luck, YouTube is my love. So hit that like, come rise above. Say it with me, YouTube is my love. Woke up with vision, layers in my mind. Canvas wide open, gotta realign. I got my stylus, my flow, and a million hues. Control-Z when I'm feeling confused. In Photoshop I fix the light. Smooth that skin, make it right. Clip and masks and smart effects. This design's got no regrets. Design my life with illustrator lines. Pen tool curves and perfect signs. Brushstroke beats and color burst vibes. This is art where my soul collides. From pixels to print, I make it shine in my world of Photoshop and Illustrator time.